Hey guys, I thought since it is the Olympics, why don't we do a quick science competition right here? And look who I've got with me. Woo! We've got Emma, we've got Brooke, and we've got Jelson. Woo! Alright, so here's the challenge, guys. This is what you need to do. I've got a bottle of water here. I'm going to fill up our glass of water. Now you're going to see I'm going to fill up the water really, really high. If you get a close-up look, the water is coming right above the cup as well. So the question is, if I drop in some paper clips, how many paper clips is it going to take before the water explodes over the top? What do you guys think? I'm going to drop one in just to show you. That's one. How many paper clips is it going to take before it explodes? What do we reckon?
14.
22.
5.
All right, let's give it a go. I'll try not to bump the table. All right. 2. 3. 4. 5. 59. 60. All right, should we guess again? How much more do you reckon? What do you guys reckon?
More than there is right now.
How many we have right now?
There's 60 in there now.
60.
So I'm going for 100.
Yeah, I'm going to say 74.
Oh, in total.
In total, yeah. So I go for a total of 100. Yeah.
And what are we at now? 64.
60.
I only go for
85. All right, here's an extra 3. $100. All right, let's just add it in bulk and we'll see what happens. $140. Oh, look, it's just popped on this side. Look on this side. Look. Come around over here. Come bring the camera around here. Look, it's just popped out here. 140. It took 140. There you go. Who was the closest? I think you all guys pretty much.
Brooke.
yeah. We're just going to say it was me.
Hey, well, Brooke, you get the special science
Oh, wow.
engineered flowers. There we go.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, look, I'm pretty sure that's a dinosaur wing.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Well, there you
I'm on it.
go. It's surprising. The question might be is what is the science behind this? And basically, it's to do with the surface tension across the top of the glass. So the water molecules are really trying to attach to each other or have a really tight cohesion. And basically that allows to create a surface that goes over the top that basically doesn't break until it gets to that sort of maximal point. So even though it looked like the glass was full, you could still pump a lot more in before that surface tension broke and popped. There you go. That is the science behind surface tension.